As you can tell, today we are reviewing the Apple HomePod Mini. Let's get this thing unboxed. So right off the bat, you're gonna get your speaker. I like to call it elegant because it's pretty cool. You're gonna get your cardboard, you can't forget about that. And your useless papers. I was real surprised when we got this in the box. No lie. I was actually pretty excited. So that's really what you get in the box. I'm trying to get this undone. Not really too sure on how that works, but hey, there you go. And this is the most satisfying part right here. Boom. Yes, yes, yes. It is Type-C. Here's a edge-to-edge display. Probably one of my favorite out of the whole little speaker. Besides the audio, actually. So let's put these things away. Even the HomePod. So that's how it looks when you turn it on. When you turn on it, it's going to ask you to connect. Now you have to center the HomePod to the frame, which is pretty easy. Very generic, kind of like the Apple Watch.
You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri." Let's get started. Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play some music.
All right, shuffling music from your library.
You're breaking my stripes, easiest time and you've got me.
Hey Siri, what's the forecast today?
It's currently cloudy and 34 degrees. Expect snow and partly cloudy skies starting in the afternoon with mixed conditions for the rest of the day. Temperatures are heading down from 36 degrees to 25 tonight.
You've put down
my mind, and we spend our lives looking for things we can't find. But not a single day goes by where you don't cross my mind.
So you are going to get a volume up and down on the display. But seriously, this speaker is actually a must. It has great bass and great sound quality. Hey Siri. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.